Okay, we have a new student, dinosaur, and Kai, a dinosaur. Oh yeah. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And my name is Kai, and my name is the vegetarian dinosaur. And hey, can I sit next to them? Yeah, yeah. Oh yes. You sit by me, bird. Sit by me, ugly bird. Oh! Just a minute. What the heck is that, dinosaur? Stop it! I didn't know you. And there's somebody idiot. What's going on? He was at least at a party. Sorry. So, which one is it? Nobody. Huh? Nobody. Hey! Stop hitting me! Lock me in the party. Lock me in. Oh, why? Because it's not funny. That's it. You hurt my duck. Where's the dumb duck? I don't know. And you ran away from you. Oh, yeah? Come on, let's go over. I'm a cow. Woo, I'm a cow. Woo, I'm a cow. Oh, yeah? So what? You leave me alone. And the birds will eat you. And off the war. Now get out of here. Now get out of here. Yeah. I do so. Oh. Lock me out. Kick me. My mama kicked me out of the party. Oh, yeah? How you think about that? your foundation, you Lorax, I tell you Piggery, Piggery, turn my truck.